Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the smtree ga700 video. This part is how I learned the inside. So if you want to know all the information about the case itself, go check out part 1. This is about how I've loaded it. So I'll go from top left corner. This hole here was meant to be, for a GoPro, for another GoPro, as you can see that. I cut a little block out the foam insert that you remove to allow me to put the GoPro and GoPro frame into it, which I have now, which is what I'm filming with. So at this bit here, I cut another little bit off, there, and I've got just a bag of little bits. I've got a spare little tiny SD card, so it's not very good, and some caps, loads of little bits. And then moving across, this is a spare. This is somewhere to put a spare battery, 1 of 5. But I have the J buckle mount in, so that fits there because that's really handy to just grab out. Here I've got the charger. This is my off-brand charger. I have got a smtree one as well. So yeah. But in this top corner, I need to do something about this. Maybe cut another insert. But I want somewhere to be able to put all of my back doors. So then in the centre, we've got the tripod mount. That's there handy, and I will have one on my tripod when I get it. So this gap here is where I have the LCD, which is currently attached to the GoPro. Then here, it was all neatly organised, but I just put it out because this is the second take. Has the screws. This is another LCD gap, but it has screws in, and one of the extension arms. The others are attached to another mount. I've then got 2 more batteries in the other LCD thing, so this thing has room for 3 LCDs, and I only have 1. So I use batteries in there, and then the little battery ones have other things in. So I've got the tripod there, as I've said. Then in that one, I have the lens protector, which I should be using now, but I'm not. So I've got the lens protector. There is a battery that goes there, but I'm currently using that. In there, that's for a smart remote, but I just keep the LCD case in there, because in my other case I use that, my little travel one. In this top corner I have the actual GoPro itself case, and that is pretty much it for the top. I think that's it. If there's anything else I've missed, just comment. So I can remove that. Then in the bottom, I'll pull this one out. This is the little place where you just chuck everything. So I've got the little flat bit, the thing that the GoPro comes attached to, the GoPro bobber there, a floaty back door, which is really good when you're swimming, a wrist strap, another really good thing. I use it a lot because it means you don't have to hold the camera. A really long GoPro charging cable, which is for time lapses. Screwdriver, so I can do screws on tripods, and the smtree charging unit. Then at the bottom, I've got GoPro cable in these pouches, and spare SD card and reader, and another spare reader. Well, adapter, but I've got readers that aren't in here at the minute. over here I've just got a little bits, little adapters, another tripod adapter, and a GoPro wrench. So that's about it. I'll close the video now, reload all this, then I'll be back soon. Bye. So here's my final conclusion on the case. Overall, it's a really good case for the price. It cost me about £50. I've already said that, but yeah. I'll provide a link if you want it. It's quite good. It's alright. Well, by alright I mean really good, because it's waterproof, solid. It's got padlock points and dustproof. So if you take this to the beach and drop it in the sea, which I don't know why you'd have it in the sea, but it will. I'm not sure whether it floats. I don't think it does, but it'll sink to the bottom. But your equipment won't get wet. And it's near enough the same as a Pelican case, except they're like £100. And yeah, it had the pre-cut foam, as I've already stated, which Pelican cases don't. So it's really annoying to try and cut your own case. All of my accessories don't fit in this case, so I am using my old case. I've removed the foam insert. I will be chucking the rest of my accessories in there. The ones like the chesty and things that I don't use that much, and the bulky ones. So yeah, it's a really nice case. I would recommend it for a GoPro. And they've got a Dash 2, which is for 2 GoPros, but has more room for accessories in the top. A Dash 3, which is this one, that has room for 3 GoPros and not that many accessories. And I've got the Dash 4 that really doesn't have many accessories. So yeah, don't have much room in there. So I only have one GoPro, but I've got a GoPro, a frame, and all the back doors. The only improvement I think they should make to this case is, well, they could make it a little bit bigger, but I think they should do the Dash 2, which is near enough the same as this, except this section is for back doors with a back door sorting thing, like my old case had. But yeah, that would be a lot better, because they're all crammed into there, because this case has no real place to put the back doors except in the bottom, which is annoying. So yeah, we're gonna end this video. Thank you for watching another JPR Vlogs video. Please remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And yeah,